What's up? So yeah, you see the hat, so it's a state of emergency. It always is every time you see the hat, okay? So I don't think my hair has ever looked this dry and dusty and just where do we go from here? You know what I mean? So I feel like every time we get like this, we equals me and my hair, okay? Every time we get like this, we make some type of drastic decision and we just like, let's cut it all off and start over. Like, I don't want to cut it all off and start over. However, I think that this is the last loose natural hair video you guys will see. As a loose natural, I have just gotten lazy. Honestly, it's not my passion. It's really just not my thing. I can do it. I'm not passionate about it, if it makes sense, and it's making it really hard for me to keep creating content for something that I'm not really passionate about, if that makes sense. I cannot watch another hair tutorial, a hair video. Not right now. Not right now, not while me and my hair are beefing. We're not beefing because I still love her. I've neglected her, okay? I have neglected her, but this ain't really even what this video is about. I'll go more in depth about that in another video, but right now, we need to get this together. I'm not gonna cut my hair all the way off. I'm not gonna do that. But since it's starting a lock journey tomorrow, okay, today is currently February 10th, and I just really need to get myself together before starting this lock journey. I'll go more into depth about why I'm starting the lock journey, just all the things, because I know you guys are gonna have like, y'all gonna be like, what? Wait, ma'am, wait. Yeah, I know. I get it. I completely get it. But girl, we ain't gonna go all in depth about that today. But before this all takes place, I do really want to cleanse my hair, give it a really good like cleanse and scrub, because I know I'm not gonna be able to wash my hair for at least a month. And yeah, I need a really good deep conditioner. I also need protein. My hair is feeling like mad crazy, like it's girl how do we get here? Okay, how do we get here all the time? Anyway, I definitely want to start off with the Master Hair Cleanse Curl Detox from Soultanicals. I've never tried this product before, but I've actually heard really great things about it, and it claims to do some great things on the back of the jar. So I want to try this out, and I'm supposed to let it sit anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, so I really need to get started now. But next, I plan to go in with their Shea-yurvedic butter shampoo. This is a co-wash. It's more like a heavy buttercream shampoo kind of co-wash situation, so I definitely want to try this out because I never tried it out. I also have a whole bunch of other products that I never got to try out, but it's cool, it's whatever. Like, I have daughters and we're gonna make it do what it do, okay? I also want to try their Glide and Go Ayurvedic Fenugreek mask treatment. So I really want to try this. I've heard great things about it. However, I still have some of this and I really do need protein, but I don't know if it's enough to like get through my entire head. So I'm going to use as much of that as possible, and then I think I'm going to mix it with this and let them both sit together. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. First of all, let me take off this cap so y'all can see what I'm working with, so y'all don't think I'm crazy, okay? Girl, at this point, if I'm lying, I'm flying, okay? Like, isn't that what the old people used to say? Like, what is this? How do we get here? Wow. Okay, Okay, so this master cleanse situation doesn't say to whip my hair or anything first. It just says to part it into sections. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I did go ahead and fill up my spray bottle, like just in case, cause like girl, like I don't even know if we're gonna be able to like maneuver through this without it. You know what I mean? I'm just like, wow. So I'm gonna put it on like a small section first, just to kind of see if I'm going to be able to do this dry. Like, I haven't even opened it to like see. Oh, wow. Smells like pepperminty. Smells really good. It looks like a normal clay mask, like a DIY, but it's like way more smooth, if it makes sense. And it's also, I mean, like you feel the grit because you know it's clay mask, but it's just, it's different. It's smooth. It's really smooth. Just taking a little bit right now. Oh wait. Yeah, I think it may be better to let it, I don't know. I don't know, y'all, but I kind of think I should at least dampen my hair like a little bit. I'm gonna start at the scalp like I would do with a regular clay mask though, and like just try to make it do what it do. I might have to use a lot, probably like the whole jar, like especially if I'm not gonna wet my hair. Like I don't know yet. Applying it dry. If I can make it through it, I'm gonna apply it dry. Completely finished, and this is what it is looking like. It is really reminding me of the Aztec clay mask. The one thing I can say though is this is not quite as messy. Like it is still like all over my hands or whatever, but normally it's all over your hands, it's all over your clothes, your body, your neck, just everything. It's everywhere, it's all over the stuff around you, but it works and it does its job. So I'm really excited to see what this is about to do. It has this peppermint like tingly feel right now on my scalp. It feels so good. It finally feels like my hair is about to get the TLC that it has been needing, because it's been so bad, y'all. It's just been, whew, it's been bad, okay? Anyway, I did have to use the entire jar. I think that has something to do with the fact that I didn't use water at all, but it didn't say to use water on here, so I didn't. It does say to cover it with a plastic baggie though, so I'm definitely going to do that. I'm gonna let this sit on for probably the full hour, and then I'm gonna rinse it out, come back and show you guys what my hair is looking like, and then we can get into the next step. Okay, I am back with this stuff all rinsed out, so let's see what it's looking like. This is our first look together. Wow. Wow, y'all. Okay. Wow. I do still have like a little bit left right here around my edges. I rinsed it in the sink, so yeah. But it feels so soft, and my curls low-key act like they trying to get some act right, okay? Like just a little bit, just a little act right, okay? So yeah, I knew a little bit was going to be left, especially because I rinsed it in the sink. So that's why I always follow up with like a co-wash just to make sure I got everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, y'all. My hair feels so good, so good. This is not a test. This is not a test, okay? Ain't no hype session going on right here, right now. Like, baby, this is it, okay? This is it. My hair like low-key feel fake. This don't feel like mine. It don't feel like mine. It feels so good. I'm impressed. I can't even lie. I am really impressed. So I know this little bottle of water will come in handy for something. So I'll wet it a little bit more before I get into this Shea-yurvedic butter shampoo. Just think a little bit, can't lie. And it looks like more clay, really. That's what it looks like. The consistency is really smooth though. It's nice and smooth, nice and creamy. Oh, okay. I'm impressed. Ooh. Wow, y'all. Wow. I can't even lie to y'all. After like the other day, I thought my hair was damaged. I was just like, what did I do? I don't understand. And then it kind of made me like, it put me in this like little depressed state. Like I was just like, what happened? I'm still gonna lock it, and don't get me wrong, I'm still about to lock it, but I really thought it was damaged. Like I was like, what'd I do, y'all? Wow, this little co-wash has matte, or this little shampoo. It says it's shampoo. It doesn't say that it's a co-wash. It says it's a heavy shampoo buttercream. Y'all, this little buttercream situation, girl, this has mad slip on it. Like, I am impressed. Y'all, I see why people be bragging on this. Okay, I'm impressed. We about to have a good wash day for once, y'all, for once. It's been a minute since almost everything has just worked out, you know? Y'all, I know y'all see the slip on it. Like, I did not detangle my hair. You saw how tangled it was before applying the detox mask or whatever it was. Y'all, wow, the slip, it's the slip for me, dog. It's amazing. Like if my hair still feels this good once I rinse this out, I'm gonna be sold, okay? I'm gonna be sold, and all we gonna do is buy Soultanicals, because that's all we need. So I know I'm only your grill, right? But I had to come back and show y'all this. Like, wow. This is with a shampoo alone. My curls, I'm speechless right now, okay? I am just, wow. And they feel so good. I'm y'all. Okay, so my hair is officially clean. Let me see what she looking like. It's a go, okay? It's a go. My hair still feels really soft. It feels clean, looks clean. Oh yes, because my scalp was just a little grayish. But it's soft. It is just, it feels like revived, okay? It feels so much better. So because the rest of these products are doing so well, I really low-key want to try this on its own. But I know I need some protein at the same time, because the curls, y'all, the curls just haven't been popping like they should be. And I'm really not worried about curl poppage, but that's how I know when I need the protein. So I think I'm gonna still mix some. I don't know. There is hydrolyzed protein in here, so I'm I don't know, everything else is just going so well, so I don't really want to add something else that may alter my like results, okay? So I'm really trying to figure out if I should even add the Mael at all. I really do want to just like kind of get rid of it though, because I've had it for a minute. I've had it for so long, but it's the one that always kind of gives me like protein overload because it's so much and I can't use it that often. So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and I don't know, it depends on what this feels like as I'm putting it on. So I'm going in with the Glide and Go Deep Ayurvedic Fenugreek Mask Treatment from Soultanicals. This smells pretty good. That's what it's looking like. It's really creamy like all the rest of the products, honestly. But I just don't know if it's going, nope. It's automatically giving off butter feels. So I already know how this is about to go. I need something a little bit more, okay, honestly. So yeah, we're gonna go in with the Mael first and then I'll go over it with that, because for some reason the ones that feel like really buttery, they don't give me like protein that I need. And the hydrolyzed protein is like closer to the end of the ingredient list, so I want to make sure I'm getting the protein that I need. So I am gonna go ahead and mix the two. I just want to I just know, I know how it is, and I know what my hair does after like the butter feel. It's just going to like leave it kind of more so poofy than that defined curl or whatever that I'm kind of going for, that I know that I need to have when I have, you know, when I need protein. Like, it's just not gonna give me the protein feels that I need. It's more of like a lighter protein, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna mix the two because like I said, the Soultanicals one is like a lot softer and it has like more of a gliding feeling, because you know, it glides. It just feels like butter though. It's different. I don't wanna, no, we ain't gonna do that, okay? So I'm gonna mix them and yeah, we'll go from there. So before even letting it sit, it is already starting to give me like curl. So yeah, I definitely feel like I made the right choice going ahead and mixing the two together. Okay, so my hair has been towel drying for about 10 minutes. Honestly, my camera died, so yeah. It feels super duper soft, y'all, and I can see the fact that my curls in some places just like kind of bounce back. I feel like it did dilute it a good little bit. I still smell that deep conditioner. That is always the case after using it. I smell it for like ever, but I do feel like it diluted it a little bit, and the butter part of the other deep conditioner, it gave me exactly what I thought it would. Like, it makes my hair really soft, but it doesn't give that curl, if you know what I mean. But anyway, my hair definitely feels good. It feels stronger. It looks better, because girl, it was a whole struggle out here, okay? So I do hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one.